Good morning. Today I am your examiner and this is your speaking test and this test will be recorded. Okay. What's your good name?
My name is Yashmeen.
How may I call you?
You can call me Yashmeen.
Can I see your ID?
Yes,
Okay. Are you working or a student?
I am a student.
What are you doing in studies?
I am pursuing masters in chemistry.
Okay. Where do you come from, Yashmeen?
I come from Tohana. It is a small town in Fatehabad district of Haryana state.
Can you describe it a little?
Yes, it's a small town. You can basically say it's divided into two parts. One of the areas is quite posh and others is not so well. And it has many parks and lawns where people can socialize, and plenty a number of restaurants as well, but it's not quite big.
Do you like living there?
No, I don't like living there because it has limited number of opportunities for an individual.
Let's talk about meeting new people. Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, I certainly do.
How do you feel when you meet two people?
I really like it because meeting others can help in adding to your perspectives and also the exchange of ideas. So that's why I really like it.
And how do you welcome people?
With a smile, and and people say that I'm quite hospitable.
Okay, let's talk about few questions based on tidiness. Are you a tidy person?
Yes, I am.
How do you keep things tidy?
Actually, I have OCD and I keep on organizing things, and I cannot bear with the things lying here and there. So I try to organize them timely.
Are you tidier at your school, your workplace, or at your home?
No, I am tidy everywhere, wherever I work or live.
Okay.
I came across an article in Healthy Lifestyle magazine. It was centered on the basic idea of our regular day-to-day activities. It was written by a renowned professional athlete who is based in Bangalore, and her name is Geetika. She hinted at the deteriorating healthy living style of ours. So the article primarily focused on the importance of exercise and diet in our daily routine. So the article started with the components which are basic part or should be made basic part of our life. So it focused upon the various components such as protein, carbohydrates, fats, and she particularly emphasized on the importance of breakfast in our life. She again and again focused upon not to skip breakfast because it fuels our body. Whenever we wake up in the morning, our metabolism is quite slow. So she asked us to have breakfast so that it can fuel our body and kickstart our day. Secondly, she emphasized upon the importance of protein. Usually people prefer eating carbs, but the protein is also a very important part of life to do some important functions in our body. Secondly, she busted the myth which is usually centered upon not having carbohydrates. She focused on the fact that it's very important for the proper functioning of our brain, and it mobilizes our memory as well. So carbs are also the important part.
Thank you.
Okay.
So it's time to ask some follow-up questions. Why do different people like to read different magazines?
To get insight into different spheres of life. So they prefer to read plenty of different materials.
You said that different sphere of life. What spheres you are talking about?
Such as communication, technology, fashion, or you can say industrial sphere, such things.
What kind of magazine do teenagers like to read?
They prefer reading more of about fashion and the upcoming movies. So you can say that they certainly focus upon masala magazines or Bollywood magazines.
Do you think they are more interested over these magazines rather than their academics?
Yes, they certainly are.
Why?
Because it provides them entertainment from their daily schedule. They get bored of their education, so to have some leisure time or a moment of respite, they turn towards such magazines.
What kind of entertainment they get from such articles or such magazines?
I think they are more of into gossips and the controversies which are usually associated with such material, or the lifestyles of their superstars or heroes. Hence, I think they find more of mental pleasure from this.
Do people still buy magazines in your country?
No, there are e-magazines which are usually freely available on internet, so people hardly buy hard copies of these.
Why do magazines have health related articles?
Because the hectic schedule of ours is leading to a rapid deterioration of our health, certainly increasing the obese persons in our country. That's why, to create awareness, the articles are usually inculcated in such magazines.
How do people keep a healthy diet?
By maintaining their proportions, by weighing their proportions. Usually what I have observed is that people have weighing scale in their homes and they weigh their proportions, and also
How they weigh?
in their containers.
Okay. Is there any other method for weighing?
No, I don't think so. There isn't, because professionals also recommend this.
Okay. This is the end of the test. Thank you.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.